You ever come across a light that just feels different? Not because it's the brightest thing ever, but because something about it just stands out the moment you hold it. That's kind of what happened with the Wuben X4. Flip it around and you get a clear view of the specs. 1500 lumens, 205 meters of beam distance, USB-C fast charging. It's a concise overview, and it sets an honest expectation before you even open the lid. Open it up, the manual sits on top. Take the light out and you get the immediate sense that it's built to be used. Compact, a bit wide, precision CNC machined aluminum. Inside the box there's also a Wuben lanyard and a USB-C cable. You can tell they didn't skimp on documentation. That little thing matters more than you think when you start messing with new features. Up front, the X4 has 4 high-output Wuben LEDs. They push up to 1500 lumens and produce a wide, even flood rather than a narrow spotlight. Everything about the chassis feels tight and well assembled. The clip is deep and confident. Inside the compartment, the X4 uses a 3350 mAh 18650 cell. Replaceable and familiar. There's a small plastic tab for shipping, so remove that before first use. It's nice to have a robust replaceable battery instead of a sealed pack. It makes long-term ownership simpler. Power it on, and the light defaults to moonlight. A very low, soft glow that's perfect for checking something without ruining your night vision.
It's faint but focused glow that lets you see the details up close. Quick slide for main beam mode.
Hit the tail switch and you go straight into strobe. Instant access, no delay. That's useful for emergencies or signaling, and it's nice to have it one action away without that sharp tunnel look. It's bright but usable, which is what you want for everyday carry. On top sits a smooth rotary dial, honestly one of the standout features. Twist it and the brightness moves exactly where you expect. No mode guessing, no memorized sequences, just direct tactile control. Long press the main switch and the indicator tells you the remaining battery percentage, a practical readout I use all the time. When you want to charge, slide the slider to moonlight and the USB-C port is exposed. Plug in and the light shows red while charging, blue when it's finished, and compatible with the cables you already carry. Now the side light is where the X4 really adds personality. Rotate the dial to change colors. Pick a warm tone for reading, or lock an RGB color for signaling. It's a multi-mode panel offering soft, warm white, ambient tones, and full RGB. Double tap to lock a color or to start a flashing pattern. Red/blue, red/green, red/yellow. Useful for signaling. Hold the main button and you can switch the side panel into a comfortable warm white flood. It's pleasant for close work and easy on the eyes. Feel the build and details. The threads are clean, the finish gives a good grip. There's a lock mode to prevent accidental activation in your pocket, which saves battery and prevents surprises. And that magnetic tail? It's strong. Stick it to a car hood or a tool cabinet and the light holds steady, giving you truly hands-free lighting. After using it for a few sessions, the X4 strikes you as well balanced. It's not just about peak numbers, it's about how everything works together. The rotary control, the side light, the battery convenience, and the overall fit and finish. That combination makes it feel more like a thoughtful tool than a spec sheet. If you're carrying it daily, you'll notice the little things. The quick jump to strobe, the battery readout, the way the dial gives you exactly the output you need without fuss. Those small conveniences make a big difference in everyday use. So yeah, the Wuben X4 is compact, capable, and intentionally designed. It looks good, feels great in the hand, and performs exactly as you'd hope from a modern EDC.